Good Sunday morning. It's Spiegel with live coverage of the big storm. Heavy snow falling right now in Baltimore, and the dreaded icy mix will begin earlier than first thought. WBAL TV meteorologist Ava Marie has the forecast. Well, Ava says that the heavy snow should continue until around 9 o'clock, and then it's going to start mixing with sleet and freezing rain between 9 and noon, and it's going to continue. It's going to continue after 9 o'clock until tonight and start tapering off after 9 p.m. And she's been measuring the snow outside the TV 11 studio here at 98 Rock, WBAL Radio.
Even here in Baltimore, where we're kind of in this medium shade of purple, measuring about a half inch to an inch per hour. So I went out just an hour ago to measure snow, and then when I just went back out just now, an inch more had fallen. So here at WBAL, we have just gotten an inch of snow just in the last hour, putting my total that I just measured to 5.3 inches of snow. So that is official, hot off the press, my snow measurement here. So you're likely seeing similar amounts, at least 3 to 5 inches of snow already here.
Okay, and now we have Ava with the forecast.
It's an alert day with heavy snow and ice in the Baltimore area today. In total, we'll see about 6 to 10 inches of snow, but there will be a top layer of sleet included in that number. The northwest suburbs may even push close to a foot of snow and sleet, and then even a glaze of ice from freezing rain possible on top of that by the afternoon and evening. The heavy snow should start to mix with sleet after about 9 a.m. and then could transition to that freezing rain in the afternoon. Temperatures stay below freezing in most areas all day, only in the upper 20s. The icy mix will taper off through about 11 p.m. tonight with lows near 20, but we'll still be looking out for power outages on Monday as the winds increase. I'm meteorologist Ava Marie.
Right now, we've got 98 Rock traffic reporter Tony Thornton tracking the roads. And how you doing, Tony?
Josh, I'm doing a little bit better because I'm inside, but I tell you right now, traffic is not even, just don't even go out. I mean, that's really the bottom line. State Highway Administration folks, there are about 400 active trucks out there that you can track to kind of get some of these roads at least somewhat passable. The problem is, and as you mentioned, and as certainly Ava has mentioned, is that layer of ice is coming soon, and that's going to make it even more challenging and difficult to sort of pass through. So right now, the best thing to do is to kind of stay in. There are a couple of accidents right now in town. 95 north of Boston Street, there's a crash. There's also an accident on 95 North after White Marsh Boulevard. Still trying to clear that out. Speaking of 95, the express toll lanes, you can forget about it. They're closed at this point. They're not plowing those at the moment. Stay on the main lanes, kind of follow closely behind, of course, with those plow and salt trucks. You don't want to stay too far or too close to them, of course, but you certainly want to kind of follow their lead as they're looking to kind of give you some pavement, especially on some of these main roads. The Maryland State Police, they have about 150 troopers that are out actively right now. There were about 30 crashes early this morning, about 400 responses. They recommend if you are in a situation to dial pound 77. Now, they're only for non-emergency situations. So if it's a situation where you have to call 911, call 911. That will be your best bet. But if you're stuck somewhere, pound 77 would be your best bet. There's a lot of response, Josh, out there, and I'm looking at some of these cameras. I see some of these trucks that are out and about. But the good news, if there's any, is that there's not a lot of regular cars out there right now. Right. A lot of folks are heeding that warning. So that's all I got for you right now, but certainly we'll keep you posted.
Okay, thank you, Tony Thornton, with the traffic update. And now our man on the street covering the snow-covered roads is WBAL radio reporter Scott Wyckoff. How's it going, Scott?
Well, I'm telling you, we just got another huge burst of snow since we last spoke, Josh. It is coming down really fast and furious here. I'm in Baltimore County. I've been driving back in some of these neighborhoods here in Timonium and Lutherville. I pulled back into the Timonium Square Shopping Center where Kevin and the team of private contractors working here for the Kimco property management team, they've been doing an amazing job. It's real interesting how some of these plows, we know what the plows do that Tony was talking about out on the highways, but back in neighborhoods and in these shopping centers that also need to be plowed, it's really interesting. It's almost a two-man and woman team where they plow the snow, and then the Bobcats come in and almost cut the snow away from the areas where the plow has pushed it. So it's able to move the snow. But right now, the snowbanks from the plows here at Timonium Square are like 7 feet high. I mean, they keep getting higher and higher, and we're going to get to a point where there's nowhere to put the snow. So that's going to be an issue for folks, especially back in their neighborhoods, especially if you live in a community that has a lot of cul-de-sacs or townhouses where a lot of tight turns are made. It's going to be a problem with this snow, Josh, finding a place to put it because it continues to keep falling. And even though once it hits the ground, it's kind of a powdery snow, as it's coming down through the air, it's wet. When I've been outside, my parka, the snow falls in it, and at times I've been soaking wet.
All right. Thank you, Scott Wyckoff. Please do not leave your vehicle. We have to protect you at all costs. Is that your horn?
That's my horn. The horn works, and also I do have a full allotment of icebreakers.
Oh, thank God.
Chewing gum, so I'm safe.
Oh, thank God. All right, Scott Wyckoff, we'll check back with you at 9 o'clock. That's reporter Scott Wyckoff from WBAL News Radio 1090 and FM 101.5. You can get more snow information, 98online.com and the 98 Rock app. And I'll have more news at 9, breaking news anytime it feels like breaking. With your live Sunday morning snow update, it is Spiegel, 98 Rock.